नाही छान होता. खरंच छान होतं. बरं छान होतं.
8:30 a.m. after a nice little breakfast. We have left for Mettale. It's going to be a 2-hour hike at max. We should be at Mahabaleshwar by 11 for sure.
काही सारे ट्रॅक जून जुलैमध्ये ओपन होतं ना.
Now this trail from Shiravali to Mettale is definitely one of the most beautiful trails that you'll come across. It has a beautiful thick canopy on the top and some amazing trail sections. Very, very pretty. It's extremely beginner friendly and would be a joyride for trail runners too. Out of the canopy, back in the sun. Nice. Yeah, we have hiked up some 250 meters and we'll soon touch the road and then walk to Mahabaleshwar. Quick 3-kilometer trail. So that's all the trail we had for today, and now we walk to Mahabaleshwar. Now before we get into the chaos of the town of Mahabaleshwar and things become very pricey, we'll quickly buy some strawberries for friends and family in Pune. Namaskar Kaka. Namaskar. Strawberry.
और मसाला बिसाले
नहीं काकू, मसाला नाही.
हळद
हे काय हे का
डाळ आहे, डाळ ही डाळ हे सांडगे खूप लोक घेऊन जातात आणि हे घरी बनवलेले हो. आपल्याकडे
This is the reward after hiking for 300 kilometers. Ooh-ha-ha-ha. Yummy in the tummy.
इकडे जी भेटली ना शहरामध्ये ती स्ट्रॉबेरी खाऊन बघा आणि ही बघ, याला पाणी पण लागत नाही, ही अशीच
असंच खाऊ
ही शेतातली.
त्यातलं धुतल्यावर
आता हे फळकच आहे ना, तर ते लोक केमिकल टाकणार, मग ते काय करणार दिसल्याला वाव किती छान आहे असं होतं. तसं इथं नाही कसं.
तो chemical वाला, if you wash, the color will come off.
हां अँड टेस्ट इज ऑल्सो डिफरंट.
The small forest section here has very beautiful birds and the giant Indian squirrel. Just need to be very quiet and keep looking at the branches, and you would definitely see something. Chalo. So we have done some 5 kilometers in the last 2 hours. We are back at 1300 meters. Time is 11 a.m. Now we'll walk through this beautiful road section. It is some 2 to 3 kilometers, and this is where I had spotted the giant Indian squirrel. So we'll walk very slow. We'll not talk and see if we get lucky again. And that'll bring the whole hike to an end. We'll walk all the way to the bus stand, eat something, and go back to Pune. This is what he was eating. This is just the seed. This is what fell on the ground. This is Shekru food. He's searching for food, picking up the right berry. Yeah, see, there's one in his mouth. Yeah. Hello. Yes. Yeah, so this is what Mr. Shekru is eating. He just eats the green part and then just drops the... Oh, this is eaten by him. He touched his saliva. Wow. Yeah, and this is the seed. Nice. Super lucky with Shekru. Yeah. This is what we came for. Strawberry, 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 strawberry. चलो इधर बैठ. This is our reward. Final reward. Yes, the community hike comes to an end. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. No worries. And thank you for all the people who have joined in between and are not here now. It was epic fun. Cheers.